Welcome on Come to Code. To apply security in your API, you must consider these steps. Number one, apply proper SSL TLS version, then jQuery version and compile JavaScript. You can also fix your headers with content security policy, X content type and permission policy. And also you need to secure your cookies. And then you should also consider valid anti-foreign token, apply proper HTS header, authentication, authorization, proper authorization like JWT or similar. You should also consider or encrypt your sensitive data. Fix your cross-site scripting with input data validation. Cross-site request forgery by unique session for each user and connection. Proper session management must destroy and create a valid time period. Error handling with customized proper message show or response. Database security, do not use SQL as a join string. Logging and monitoring, proper format using JSON format or use NoSQL for database. One more API security point is you can consider key and other related information. Host verify, this is also a proper host verify. This is also a technique to apply more security on your API.